Hi there, guys. Welcome back to Tech Product. If you have ever spent way too much time hand mixing dough until your arms hurt, you know why a good tool is a game changer. Finding the best stand mixer makes all your baking projects so much easier. We are exploring a high-performance kitchen appliance today. Let's get started. Designed for users who need a powerful and reliable kitchen companion, the KitchenAid Artisan Stand Mixer is a total game changer for any home cook or professional baker. This machine is built to be a workhorse in your kitchen, giving you reliable results every time you turn it on. One of the first things you will notice when you see it in person is the weight and the premium feel. The KitchenAid Artisan Stand Mixer is built with a durable metal construction. This is so important because it keeps the mixer completely stable on your countertop. Unlike cheaper plastic models that might shake or move around when you are working with heavy ingredients, this solid metal body provides long-lasting stability. When you are kneading a heavy loaf of bread dough, you can feel how grounded the machine stays. This durability means you are making an investment that is going to stay in your kitchen for a very long time, handling all your everyday mixing needs without any issues. Another reason this machine works so well is the unique mixing action. The KitchenAid Artisan Stand Mixer features 59 touch points around the bowl during every single rotation. If you think about it, that means the beater is hitting almost 60 different spots in the bowl as it spins around. This ensures that all your ingredients are thoroughly incorporated from every angle. You will not find a pocket of dry flour at the bottom of the bowl or bits of cold butter stuck to the side. It makes for a very smooth and even mix, which is exactly what you need for a perfect birthday cake or a fluffy batch of cookies. It really saves you the time of having to stop the machine and scrape the bowl constantly. Let's talk about the bowl itself, because it is a huge part of the experience. It is a 5-quart stainless steel bowl, which gives you plenty of room for all kinds of recipes. If you are doing a massive holiday bake for the whole family, you can actually prepare up to 9 dozen cookies in a single batch. That is over 100 cookies at once. It is perfect for large families or anyone who loves to host parties and bake for a crowd. The KitchenAid Artisan Stand Mixer Bowl also has a really comfortable handle attached to the side. This might seem like a small detail, but when that bowl is full of heavy batter or thick dough, having a secure and ergonomic grip to lift and pour it into your pans is incredibly helpful. Plus, because it is made of high-quality stainless steel, it is very easy to maintain. Once you are finished, you can just put the bowl in the dishwasher since it is completely dishwasher safe. This makes the cleanup process so much faster, letting you get straight to the best part of baking, which is eating what you made. Speaking of those speeds, the KitchenAid Artisan Stand Mixer comes with 10 different speed settings. This gives you total control over how you handle your ingredients. You can start on the lowest speed to gently stir in dry ingredients so they do not fly out of the bowl. Then, you can turn it up to the middle settings for tasks like creaming butter and sugar together until they are light and fluffy. If you are making a meringue or fresh whipped cream, the high speeds are powerful enough to whip air into your mixture in no time at all. Each setting feels very precise, allowing for accurate and consistent results across all your favorite recipes. It really takes the guesswork out of the process and ensures your textures are always perfect. Beyond just the high-level performance, KitchenAid knows that your kitchen is a reflection of your personal style. That is why the Artisan Stand Mixer is available in more than 20 color options. Whether you want a classic Empire Red, a modern Onyx Black, or a soft pastel to match your unique decor, there is a version that will look beautiful sitting on your countertop as a centerpiece. This combination of heavy-duty performance, large capacity, and beautiful design makes it a truly versatile addition to any modern home. It is a tool that helps you be more creative in the kitchen while making the hard work of mixing and kneading feel a lot easier and more enjoyable. It is time to bring a professional touch to your home cooking and baking. Check the price link in the description to see all the details and the current color options available. Like and subscribe to Tech Product to stay updated on all the best home and kitchen technology that we showcase here. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I hope your next baking project is a huge success. See you in the next one.